Let us discuss few optimization techniques for SQL queries. This is a very common question that gets asked. So one way is we just saw. One way that we just saw is indexes. The second way is we should always avoid using select star because it unnecessarily fetches the result. The third way to access this is we should use exists over in. Let us see one example for this using exists over in. So here select name from newsletters. So this is a query which will help me to get the newsletters, where the ID in select newsletter ID from post. So that is I want to see the newsletters which have some posts associated with them, and instead of that I can make use of exists here like this. Select name from newsletters n, where exists the same query giving me the same result, but this is written using exists and this is written using in. The next way to optimize a query is to normalize or denormalize the tables. So the fourth method will be wherever needed we should normalize the tables or denormalize the tables as the need be. The next is we should limit subqueries. Not too many subqueries are to be used, and we can use joins. Joins are better with optimizing queries. And the next one is we should analyze the execution plan. We should analyze the execution plan and we should identify what are the possible bottlenecks with the help of explain. So here see, for any query I can make use of explain. Let me demonstrate this to you. So here I say explain. So explain will show me how the SQL engine will execute. So here once I execute the query, I can click on query, inside execution, include actual execution plan, and then I say execute. And so now see, I can see the execution plan. See, so now I should analyze the query like this. So select cost, nested loops, left semi join, cost was 2%, clustered index scan, and then finally it was clustered index scan for posts. So like this it is showing me how many how the query, the plan executed. So first of all, it was clustered into scan here, clustered into scan here, then nested loops, left semi join happened, and then it was the select. Let's see about executing this one, and this is the execution plan. See here, 6 of 6, it is 100%, 2%. So now this is at a very small level. You can see that this is giving me almost the same result. This is 45%, and here the cost is 52%, and here it is 45%, and here it is 52%. So now at a very low level it is giving me the similar cost. Let's say if I just say select name from and execute, see, this is the execution plan. Cost is 100%, select. So now with the, by analyzing the execution plan, I can understand how the query is executing and actually analyze how it has to be worked on. So I should identify bottlenecks in execution plan. The next one is so consider if I have two tables. So should I join first, or should I filter first and then join? So we should understand the execution plan and then work. See, should I join first or should I filter first? Consider if I have after joining I'm getting very few records, and then I'm selecting the column that I want. Or should I select the column that I want, or should I join first? So join first or filter first. So now that will depend upon the number of records that are there. So this is another way to analyze optimizing the SQL query. So using these ways we can check the queries.